the rotating grid board. It's really great for preventing you from having to get your hands in all kinds of weird positions. For example, I can place things where I want them, all from one side. I don't have to be back and forth. I can just rotate her around a little bit, get them where I want, without them falling off every time I move the plate. For example, placing a lot of balls can be tedious, trying to get them to touch each other with your hands in unique positions. Whereas if you can just lay them all into place and just rotate it around, it works really, really nicely.